Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can overlay videos in Capcut PC. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and first of all I'm going to add a video to the timeline as the main layer. Okay, and now the video has been added to the Capcut timeline, and I'm going to add layer. I'm going to add first layer, and if we want to add layer, we just need to do the same step. We can drag the video to the timeline like this. Okay, and this is the first layer, as you can see, and I'm going to add the second layer. So we just need to drag the video to the timeline. Okay, and as you can see that here I have two layers. This is the main layer, the first layer, and the second layer. And if you want to reorder the layer, you just need to go to the Capcut Basic, and you can scroll down until you find the layer option, and here you can reorder your layer. Alright guys, and that's how we can overlay videos in Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.